Hey guys, welcome to Coders Project. It's Abhay here. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about the files in C++. Like how do you create them, how do you write in them, and how do you open and read them. So basically, you just have to include a new library or a new header file. You just have to include fstream over there. So the fstream library allows us to work with the files. To use fstream library, first we have to include the standard iostream library, and then we have to include the fstream header file. To include that, just a hashtag and then include an fstream in the angular brackets. So in this video, I'm going to be covering these topics. So the first one will be how do you create a text file, and then how do you write in a text file. Yeah, how do you write in the created file and then read from the text file and then open and do other stuff. So yeah, let's directly jump on to the coding part. Okay, so now we have to include the fstream library or the header file. So include fstream. Okay, and now like under this fstream library, we have like two other libraries which are offstream offstream and what was the other one, that is if stream. Yeah, so what this offstream does is it basically creates and writes the file which is under the fstream library. And ifstream, it is a it's a kind of a library which is under fstream, which is used for reading the file or reading the text from the file. So this is why we use the F stream. It is a combination of off stream and F stream. So now to create and write in the new file, you just have to type int main, and then now we're going to be creating and opening the file. So to creating and opening the file. So for that, you just have to use off stream and then your file name. Create a variable or the object name. So I'll just create it as a file or my file. Yeah, that's more better. My file, and in the brackets specify the file name. Text one. Yep, text one would be good for now. .txt. And now we're going to be writing the file. So to write in the file, you just have to type your file. Your file object. I've taken it as my file, and then we are going to be using this operator to write inside the file. I'm going to type welcome to my YouTube channel. Yep, this is good enough. And now let us close the file. It's always a good practice. It is considered a good practice to close the file. Well, it also cleans up the unnecessary memory space also. So it's pretty good if you have the practice of closing the files at the end. So to close the file, you just have to type your file name. The file object, my file dot close. Yeah, let's just run this and see whether if the file is created, and then we will try to read the text later on. So yeah, I think it's created. Let's check it out. We have a text1.txt. Let's open it. So as you can see, it says welcome to my YouTube channel. This is how you create a file and then write inside the file. Now we'll be saying how do you read a file. How do you read this text to your code. So yeah, let's get on to that. Just a minute, let me take the screen outside. Okay, let us remove all this. I'll just remove all this. Where is the text file? Let us add few more lines over here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Hello, I am Abhay. This channel's name is Coders Project. Bye. Yeah. Now let us try to read the file. So we have basically we just have to create a string and then just read it. So let me create a string variable. Let me just name it as my text or something. It sounds better, or just text will be good enough. Now let us read the text from the file. We are going to be using the if stream, so we're going to be using this if stream, and then what should I specify the object name as? A read or something. Yeah, this is good. So read, and then your file name. What have I taken it over here? I think it is text1.txt. Yeah, it is text1.txt. And now we're going to be using a while loop together with the getLine function to read the file one by one. So using a while loop with getLine function. So for that, while, and then open up a bracket. Inside the bracket, we're going to be specifying the getLine function, and then open up another bracket. Now, what have you used over here? Yeah, it's read. So the object name is read, and then what is your string variable name? Okay, it's text, capital T. Yeah, now let's try to print it out. Cout, and then text, cout text, and let's close the file. So to close the file, you just have to type your file name, the object name, read, and then dot close. Let us add a slash n over here so that it gives a break. Yeah, let's just run it. Well, yeah, it just printed out hello. I don't know, some problem or some glitch in this online um, compiler. So yeah, this should do the job. So basically, you just need to create a string and then assign the variable name, and then we are going to be using the if stream to and the object name, and then the text file to read the text, and then we are going to be using the while loop with the get function to read the text line by line. So it's while in the brackets get line, and again open up the brackets and then your object name and then your variable name, and then just print it out, and don't forget to close the text file. So this is how you play around with files in C++. I hope you like the video. If you have any doubts or any queries, so just place a comment and I'll clarify it. If you need any other video, any specific video, just place a comment and it will be done in about 1 or 2 weeks. So yeah, do subscribe my channel. Don't forget to like. Just press the bell icon and then enjoy. See you soon.